It's Baba with Baba Channel. Today I decided to do a review on my 2008 Mercedes S550 4MATIC because I see that everybody's doing reviews about new cars. So how about the older cars? I'm sure we had fun with them and good memories and bad memories and stuff like that. So I got this car about 9 years ago, and so far I'm very happy with it. So we went through a lot, good times and bad times. Okay, so let's walk around a little bit around the car and see what I did to it since I got it. So basically is in pretty good shape for 2008, scratch free. The only thing I did is I did a window tint, which I paid a bunch of tickets for it. That comes with it. AMG rims. It runs great. The interior is great. It has every option that you can ask for is on it. Basically everybody knows that owning a Mercedes is not cheap, and I agree, but thanks to YouTube it saved me a bunch of money because a lot of things I was able to fix myself and don't have to bring to Mercedes or a mechanic. Otherwise everything is over $1,000 on repairs on it. I did remove the factory mufflers and I put Flowmasters, which makes it sound like almost like AMG. So overall a great car. I really have a long history with this car because 4 years ago I shipped it to Europe, to Netherlands, and then once it arrived there I took a flight over there and drove it from Netherlands to Germany because I used to live in Germany, visited the old area where I used to live, drove to Austria, Italy, and then I went all the way to the end of Italy to Bari, and then from there I took a ship and went to Albania, and from Albania I went to Kosovo, and basically from Netherlands to Italy I drove for 22 hours straight, no stops, only for gas. It was an amazing experience which I would like to do it again. And I left the car in Europe for about 3 years, and then last year I brought it back. So I went again in a long trip driving through Germany to Autobahn, which I can't wait to go back there again. No speed limit. It was crazy. But the second time I had my brother with me, so he'll help me drive it because it's a really long trip and it's not easy driving 22 hours straight. It's crazy. But this is my story with this car. So I'm planning still to keep the car because it's a great car and it's not worth a trading in for. It's a Mercedes. Cannot ask for nothing better. For those of you who don't know, my license plate